Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Infotech Scholars. I am Rabia. Today I am gonna tell you something about data backup and data recovery in cloud computing. This data I have collected from a research paper of 2018. This is an agenda which we are going to cover today. Introduction to cloud computing, disaster recovery challenges and its solutions, Cloud Server Central Repository, Backup Repository, Cloud Service Models, Deployment Models, Cloud Storage, and Conclusion. So here is a short introduction of cloud computing. Cloud computing is very popular distributed resource which provide us storage to keep our data. Users can access that data from anywhere at any time through the internet. For data, we should have a backup system, means a data which we lost due to any uncertainty, so we can backup and recover that data for our future use. As we already know about cloud computing is a delivery of computing services which provide us storage to keep our data and processing power. Benefits of cloud computing is that we do not need to manage IT infrastructure or storage devices. Some services are as pay as you go. After knowing about cloud computing in this lecture, we will know about data that we store in cloud, how to do its backup and recovery. Disaster recovery. As I discussed before that we do backup of our data to recover it from the lost. A disaster is an unpredicted event which is caused by nature or by human. A nature disaster can be a fire, tsunami, earthquake, etc. The human disaster can be an error, hardware or software failure. As cloud is increasing day by day, every people are keeping their data on cloud, so its ability to accept disaster and achieve consistency and availability is also increasing. Disaster recovery challenges. We have following disaster recovery challenges. First one is dependencies. Service providers contain data backup on their position, but this is dependent on CSPs. Meanwhile, it is responsibility of cryptography service providers for customers' data and the loss of data because of disaster. Next is cost. Another challenge is cost management because cost is a set of initially for over a year, but after they face different issues and charge for them, like outgoing cost, storage cost, data transfer cost, and giving out cost. Also, cost of potential disaster, that is, improved disasters and unrecoverable disasters. Another challenge is failure detection. It powerfully affects an organization downtime. It is critical to detect and inform at early stage, so we need potential for fast and correct disaster recovery. Next is security. As we know, disaster can be produced by nature or human. Cyber terrorism attack is human-made disaster. In this situation, security and recovery of important data is being targeted. Disaster recovery solutions. After challenges, we have two of these solutions. First one is local backup. We can update local storage by protecting channel. By this technique, migration between cloud and service provider is possible, and also relocation between private and public can be done. During disaster situation, local backup can be provide a service as a service provider. Next one is Inter-Private Cloud Storage IPCS. Data of users should be stored in three different environmental locations that are servers, local backup servers, remote backup servers. Cloud Server Central Repository. This is the repository which works same as physical servers, but their functions are different. It provides us two options for hosting. First one is shared hosting, second one is dedicated hosting. Shared hosting, it is a cheaper selection where servers are shared between the host providers. One client website can be hosted to the same server or other clients. Dedicated hosting. This hosting is difficult and costly. Client obtain whole physical server for on. We can see this in the picture. Shared hosting has three clients which share a physical server, a single physical server. Meanwhile, dedicated hosting in this a single client has on their physical server. Backup repository. We have two types of repositories. First one is main cloud, which is also known as central repository, and another is remote backup cloud, which is known as backup repository. If central repository misplaced due to any disaster, that can be natural disaster, human attack, or deletion, the backup repository takes place. Remote backup services should cover following issues: privacy and ownership. In privacy and ownership, different clients access the cloud with their similar login. They are liberally allowed to upload their private and necessary data on cloud. Second is relocation of servers to the cloud. It means that due to occurrence of disaster in main cloud, data of client is being transferred to another cloud. The new location the new location of server is unidentified to the cloud. Data security. Client's data is stored at central repository with complete security. Reliability. Remote cloud should be reliable because cloud computing is the main cloud server which store complete data of client, and client is independent or main cloud. So both servers should have reliability to keep data. Last one is cost effective. Execution of remote server, its recovery and backup techniques are cost effective, and they play important role for creating the structure for main cloud. Now we have cloud service models. We have three types of models: SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, which means group of softwares and application. It allows clients to give software instead of purchasing it. Software applications are available as service to customer based on elements. The example of SaaS is Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, or any applications. This is used at the end user side. Another is PaaS, which means Platform as a Service. It provides clients to build their own app using tools and programming languages, which is coding. This service hosted in a cloud and right of entry by client using internet. These examples are Cloud App Engine, Amazon, Heroku, OpenShift, etc. This is done at software developers site. Last is IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. It provides common resource services. It provides computing communication, which means storage, virtual machines, net communication, net connection, IP address, bandwidth. It complete package of computing. In this, we can know about StackScale, Azure, virtual machine, VMware, and this is done at network architecture IT administrators. Now we have cloud deployment models. We have four types of models. Firstly, we should know deployment model. A deployment model who controls the infrastructure. It satisfies different organizations according to their needs. First one is public cloud. Uh, It is available to everyone who have internet connection. It is less secure because anyone can access it, can be accessed by general public. Another is private cloud. Available for a specific organization means users who belong to that organization can access that data and pay for that service. It is more secure than public cloud. Next is community cloud. This is available to the community of associated organization. Last one is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is basically the combination of more than one cloud according to their specification. It can be combination of private and public, public and community, private and community, and so on. Next is cloud storage. Cloud storage is a platform as a service and requirements carefully planning and thorough implementation. Cloud service is a cloud computing model that stores data on internet through the cloud computing providers who manage and operate data storage as a service. There are three types of services. Backup automation. Cloud storage was number of enterprises solutions like HP, EMC, Western Digital, etc., which is fast and consistent automation service and performs backup on 1000 to 10,000 files. Data recovery. Significant services to cover a lot of data. A lost data, it needs skills and technique to recover all data and store it in cloud. It recovers 5 terabyte data in 2 weeks. Data migration means transferring data between two clouds. It is common when two organizations contains private clouds, but there is no analysis impact of moving large documents between private clouds. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.